How do we use mobile app notifications? Mobile app notifications let us send a push notification to a mobile device, including a title and a body. To configure a mobile app notification, we select Mobile App Notifications from the list of actions. When we click on Edit, we see the alert title, which can be anything we choose. For example, here we are keeping the title as Breakdown Detected. We can also add any custom description. Once we do this, the mobile app notification is successfully configured. You will receive a mobile app notification with the given title and description whenever the trigger is activated. We can add this app notification at any point in the automation flow. Got questions on mobile app notification? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.